guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to be doing a cute little design with the stuff I got from this month's Gel Box UK. I did get sent a double, 2 of these, so I only have 3 colours to work with, not 4, but we have this really nice rose gold, a neutral, and like this milky white slash pink. And I'm going to incorporate these stickers that came in there, and I already had these, but I might find a way of using them. Are these gemstone clusters and these little half flowers, because I thought it would look super duper cute. So yeah, first things first is this one here is just going to be painted in this plain colour. These two are going to be with this milky white. This nail is going to be solely in the rose gold, and then this one I'm going to try and ombre these two. Okay, so we are back, guys. I've just got this pearlescent powder out here, and I'll show you why. So here are these 4 fingers here, looking very, very nice. Then this is the one that I ombreed, and I've just put the pearlescent finish over the top, which kind of gets everywhere, but I think it kind of just ties it all in really, really nice. Now, nails that some of my nails I do for my videos, like these, which were in my Vetsy nail box, I do put a peel off base coat on if I'm not planning to keep them on for very long, and I can feel some of them are like really, really loose, so I'm just gonna, you know, quite literally they just peel off. So I'm just gonna, because if you're wondering like how I suddenly don't have nails on, it's just because I put a peel off base coat on, and yeah, and they peel off. So yeah, so now we are going to go in with the decorating, and first things first, we are going to go in with said stickers, and we are going to put these stickers all over this nail here, and we're just going to put a little bit going down the one side. So I will be using this hand to peel the stickers off, and then transferring hands, because I am doing this khaki handed. So that's looking very, very nice. Now we are going to go on to the rest of the nails. So like I said, I have these half flowers in several different colours, but I am thinking this pink one goes nice with the set we've got going on. And then these ones, if we can open them, these are just little rhinestone clusters, and we're going to put one at the bottom of this nail and one at the bottom of this nail, and we are just going to attach it with some top coat. So we will may as well top coat the entire nail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on one by one, like one at a time, and flash cure them in the little pinky. We will just top coat the entire thing because it saves having to go back and re-top coat. And we get one of our little clusters. They do have little like grooves on like way to, so it bends to the shape of the nail. And we will do the same to the first finger. We will top coat the entire nail. Being careful to clean off any off of the skin. We make sure we are putting it on the nail so it matches. And here we go, guys. Here are the finished nails. What do you think? The thumb and the rest of the nails. I think they came out super cute. Perfect if you go into a wedding. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this design, and please remember to subscribe as it really does help out this channel, and I will see you all in another video, guys. Bye.